Hello, lovely people. It's Leah, and welcome to Amateur Makeup Hour, a series where an amateur, that's me, attempts to recreate a pop culture icon into a makeup look. And though I may be artsy, I know nothing about makeup, so this should be interesting. And today we are not making over a pop culture icon so much as we are making over a pop culture art style, and that art style is art pop. I've seen a lot of really cool makeup recreations of this art style, and I wanted to try my hand at it. As a physical artist myself, I'm very familiar with the art pop style, and I was curious to see what my amateur self could create in a makeup look. Pop art came about in the 1950s, and it was sort of an anti-art movement against what was contemporary. But it did utilize a lot of items that you might see on the day-to-day, like the Coca-Cola label or soup can or a comic strip. And I feel like the very well-known pop art piece that I'm seeing in my head definitely represents a comic strip. And this time around, I'm going to be utilizing two reference photos. One of them is a photo from Mariah Jackson, which I found in an Elle article that was featuring 8 different pop art makeup styles. Mariah's was definitely in the vein of what I'm looking to do, outlining your face with those black lines, the dots, the tears, the white accents. And the other reference is from Maggie A. She posted a makeup tutorial on her YouTube channel. I like that the black lines that she used are a little bit thicker, and I like that she used red dots. I'm not necessarily sure I have something good to recreate the white dots, so I'm using Maggie's photo to have these red dots as an option, but I think for the most part, we're going to be following Mariah. And the first thing I need to do is get my skin on. I still know nothing about face makeup, so we're just gonna go for it. Pretty sure foundation is what you're supposed to put all over your face. I picked up something new. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. Wait, is this foundation? Oh no, I think this is concealer? Oh God, I don't know. This was just more my skin tone than this one was. This one's a little lighter, but this is definitely foundation. Porcelain tint. I'm definitely not porcelain tinted, especially not living in the desert. Okay, well, we're just gonna use this as foundation and put it all over my face. Definitely more my color than the other one is, but I think for this, maybe we want my cheeks to be a little bit lighter. I'm gonna move my mirror back a little bit. Y'all won't be able to see it, but I do not want to be looking at my face that close up. My goodness. I know that this is definitely concealer, so let's conceal some of the redness. Gosh, I hope this looks cool. I feel like this sort of makeup look either looks really cool or it looks really bad. Okay, we're gonna use some of the lighter foundation here. Why? I don't know. Maybe not on my nose where I just put it, but maybe like as I put more on my nose. Whatever, we're adding color anyway. I don't know what color eyeshadow I'm gonna do, but maybe oh my gosh, getting foundation everywhere, probably places it's not supposed to be. Maybe I do yellow like Mariah did. I think that'll be cool. I like how she did the yellow with the blue with the pink. I don't know, I kind of want to do a red lip. So if I did a red lip, blue tears, what color eyeshadow should I do? Maybe yellow still works. Yeah, let's just do yellow. Okay, my face is a face. Do I want to do the colors first, or do I want to do the black lines first? I actually don't know if this yellow is even going to be vibrant enough. Oh, that's vibrant. Just kidding, it's vibrant. I'm just using eyeshadow. I feel like you could do this with paint, face paint. But I'm gonna copy the shape that Mariah did. She kind of did like a wingy situation. Color that in. Yeah, that's a vibrant yellow. That looks good. Ooh, the yellow with my blue hair is fun. We might have to refine that a little bit once we add the black line, but I'm liking the yellow. So what, I just go straight into the blue? Should I just do the teardrop? I guess, right? She did a bright blue. I just picked a darker blue. Oh, right in my eyeball. I like that her tears aren't like droplets, that they're more like drips. And I feel like you could just do any form you want, you know? And hopefully when we add the black lines, we can just like make the outside line a little bit stronger. Let's try to do 3 drips on this side. Does that look like tears? I mean, what else blue would be coming out of your eyes, right? So if it doesn't look like tears, you don't have an imagination. That's what I'm saying about this. Not that I'm bad, that you're boring. This is going swimmingly. I mean, the black is gonna ruin everything, obviously, but you know. Okay, and for the black, am I gonna use my eyeliner or eyeshadow? Well, I think to start, I should do eyeshadow on my eyebrows for sure. And I know the black I have is very vibrant black. I mean, it just shows up a lot. It's pretty thick. She thick. We're just gonna do a nice thicky brow. We're not trying to make it look like an eyebrow. We're really just trying to totally black it out. Definitely make it thicker than my normal eyebrow, but not like that. I gotta keep makeup remover on me. I'm very prone to mistakes. I like wish my eyebrows were this dark, but like nicer, like drawn on nicer. They're definitely uneven. I'm gonna have like one sad brow. How am I looking? Like a comic book character yet? Yeah, let me get makeup remover. I went and grabbed a little bit of makeup remover just in case. Okay, time to add on the black. I'm nervous. I'm gonna use the eyeliner. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm drawing a line from my eyebrow down my nose and kind of looping it around. It's gonna look great. It's gonna look incredible. I'm not gonna mess it up. Maybe I gotta connect it. Let's start on the nose, the ball of the nose. Fun. Oh my God, that was wrong. We needed it to swoop in more. Oh, of course it's not gonna come off now. Good to know this eyeliner does not come off. Okay. Leah, that is the wonkiest line I've ever seen in my whole life. We can fix this. Wow, I think I'm actually fixing it. And I'm gonna be very careful. I'm gonna take a little Q-tip, a little bit of makeup remover, and I'm gonna fix this first line I made. Get rid of it. Okay, this is something. It's something. Let's just keep drawing black lines everywhere. I'm gonna do one around this nostril here. I think the more that I draw on, the more normal this will look. Or the more that I draw on, the more mistakes I'll make. But this Q-tip situation is working fairly okay. Maybe I should let it dry first. Oh my God, my nose is so itchy. Ugh, I can't itch it. This is ruining my skin. I think that there are eyeliner markers that exist out there, and I think that's what I should be using, but I'm not, so here we are. Let's line the tears. Oh yes, how smooth was that? For the most part. Yeah, that looks cool. We might have to put the blue in the lines a little better, but I like that. Oh no, what have I done? I made the line real thick. What if I try to fix it with black eyeshadow? Kind of works. Truthfully, I don't hate where the lines are messed up. I kind of think it's fun that they're not perfect. Or is that just what I'm telling myself? I don't know. I think it's kind of fun. I don't know, actually. Yeah, maybe that's better. Maybe it is better straighter. These do not look like teardrops though. No, not at all. They don't look like teardrops. Teardrop has sailed. But on the other hand, it's like, what else could they be on my face? All right, let us line the eyeshadow. I've never lined the top lid before, so should be fun. Why is this side the problem, child? That side, the line is always clean, and then this side, it isn't. And now let's connect it. Ooh, very decent. Okay, not bad. What if? When to make the line thicker, messed up. I was like, what if I could make this even better? And what did I do? made it worse. Now I gotta match the other side. I feel like this is slowly going downhill, but I'm here for it. I think this is actually kind of cool. I think I did a decent job. Okay, another thing that both of the creators did was frown lines. So let's do that. I didn't mean to make it that big, but it's the best we can do. Then they did some cheek lines. They're not even, but that's okay. When I take the fun picture at the end, I'm gonna probably be off in a 3/4 angle. All right, there's a chin line. That's a massive chin line. I'd like to redact that chin line completely. Let's make it more of like a swoop. Better. Maggie outlined her whole face. I feel like that's a disaster waiting to happen, so I will not be doing that. But let's do the lips. I think we're gonna do red. Let's do them red first, and then we'll line them with black. And Mariah also did, she was doing like these little white accents everywhere, but I don't know if this white's gonna be strong enough to show, but we'll try. I don't wanna mix it with the red. Okay. Adding it to the chin, to the nose. Nose is working the least good. Yeah, nose isn't really working, but let's do it on the cheeks. Okay, this kind of stopped working. I gotta sharpen this thing. I don't have a sharpener. I don't even know how to like crank this up. Whatever. I think it's ruining it more than anything. I'll Photoshop some white lines in. Okay, I added like a white accent to every little black line. Now let's line the lips across the top and kind of on the bottom. Oh man, this is gonna be stressful. Let's do the white side first. Now let's see if we can duplicate that. I think I'm gonna make this one thick on this side. Interesting, to say the least. Now I'm gonna use my trusty Prideful lipstick. Okay, we're gonna do a bunch on this side, I think. So let's do like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Now 3 more. And 3 more. Cool. Now I'll do a bunch underneath. Oh, that's so fun. Should I do a little on my neck as well? Some like necklines? Yes, is the answer to that question. Let's do like just 2, and we'll put some dots in between the neckline. And then I think maybe some up here, and then we'll call it a day. Ah, I'm loving this. I'm impressed with myself. Fun. And then we'll just do I'm honestly floored. I think I did a really good job. I'm gonna just touch up some of the yellow. Oh, you know what I forgot? Mascara. Yeah, let's mascara it up, call it a day. All right, I think I'm finished. Wow, that was exciting. Thank you so much for joining me for another amateur makeup hour video. I may be an amateur, but I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know down below how you think I did. And thank you to Mariah Jackson and Maggie A for your incredible inspo photos. I will link both of their information down below so you can give them a follow. If you're enjoying the content that you're seeing here, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below so that we can reach new people and grow our community. On this channel, you can find cosplay, home decor, horror, and a lot more. My name is Leah, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가을거 blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day.